Stop motorboating, Ocus, please. What the hell?
Motorboating is when you do it on tits though.
How do I know that you're not doing it on tits right now? Clearly you have tits on your fucking browser. I just saw it in your fucking live.
I love titties. But who doesn't love titties? Titties are cute. But
I think
okay.
men usually don't love titties on themselves, but okay. But like,
I mean the quality of titties matters. Yes.
you haven't seen many man boobs, have you?
I've seen my friends' man boobs. प्रभात के man boobs, and प्रभात के man boobs are soft as shit. भोसड़ी का क्या बोबे हैं उसके. ओए होए क्या
This is gonna go in the podcast. Amazing. Prabhat is gonna fucking unfriend you everywhere, including in life.
He doesn't have any friends, so I'm pretty sure I'm in the safe here. But with that said, how about you do the intro this time?
I should do the intro.
Yeah.
Okay. Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of what was the name of this thing again? I'm sorry, I forgot.
People behind the persona.
People behind the person. Should I do a retake? I just continue. Let's not.
Person. Sorry,
Oh, he also forgot. That's fine. That is great, guys. He's like, do the intro, and I'm like, I'm trying here. I'm really trying. Okay, you're probably gonna keep this because it was funny. I guess. I don't know. Yeah. So welcome back to another episode. It's so weird. You guys are still listening to it, even though Ocus has not promoted this in any way. Clearly, he does something with his videos. We are gonna talk about that today. What does Ocus do to be able to manage to get views in this freaking pandemic, which has also hit YouTube, by the way, which he's gonna talk about. So let's start off, sir.
Yeah.
You will start off, and I will ask you the questions. Let's go.
Yeah. Okay. So if you guys do not know, we are facing a pandemic now, and that has hit YouTube heavily.
If you do not, and if you do not know, you're clearly living under a rock. What the hell, man? Do you not?
I mean that stay there.
Stay there. Don't
it's
go
like
out.
It's getting everywhere. Stay there. Don't go out. But YouTube is facing heavy shortage of staff, जिसकी वजह से एल्गोरिदम को कोई मॉनिटर नहीं कर पा रहा है, जिसकी वजह से काफ़ी लाइक तुमको जैसा प्रमोशन मिलता था वैसा नहीं मिलता था, बिकॉज उन्होंने पर्पसफुली जो रीच होती है, जितनी ऑडियंस को तुम रीच कर पाते हो, उसको हम लोग रीच बोलते हैं यूट्यूब टर्मिनोलॉजी में. येस, दैट इज़ अ वर्ड. बट तुम उसको रोक देते हो, जिससे ज़्यादा लोग तुम्हारी वीडियो ना देख पाएँ, जिससे ज़्यादा लोग यूट्यूब पे ना रहें, बिकॉज यूट्यूब के सर्वर्स ऑलरेडी 2 बार क्रैश हो चुके हैं और वो अफोर्ड नहीं कर सकते उसको बार बार क्रैश होना, बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली जैसे आई सेड शॉर्टेज ऑफ स्टाफ. वो नहीं चाहते कि बार बार क्रैश हो, क्योंकि उनके पास पैसे नहीं है एक तो इतने कि बार बार भाई सर्वर क्रैश हो रहा है उसको ठीक किए जा रहे हैं, और लोग भी नहीं हैं जो बाहर आके उनका सर्वर ठीक करेंगे. तो उन्होंने इसकी वजह से, जैसे तुम लोग ने, अगर तुम फ़ोन में नोटिस किए होगे कि तुम अब 1080p में वीडियोज़ नहीं देख सकते, तुम 480p पे रेस्ट्रिक्टेड हो. और अगर तुम एक क्रिएटर हो, तुमने विटनेस किया होगा कि तुम्हारी जो रीच है चैनल की वो बहुत कम हो गई है. रीच को हम लोग इम्प्रेशंस भी बोलते हैं. अगर तुम इंस्टाग्राम वगैरह अपने एनालिटिक्स चेक करोगे, देयर इज़ समथिंग कॉल्ड इम्प्रेशन. तुम कहाँ तक लोगों को पहुँच पा रहे हो, ठीक है, कितने लोग के फीड में या एक्सप्लोर पेज में या रिकमेंडेड साइड में तुम्हारी वीडियो या तुम्हारी पोस्ट या कुछ भी दिख रही है. वो उन्होंने इसके लिए रीच की, जैसे मैं बोल रहा सर्वर क्रैश हो रहा है. पर इन आई पर्सनली थिंक कि मेरा चैनल इज स्टिल परफॉर्मिंग डिसेंट in this pandemic, and so is a lot of other channels. And I wanna talk about कि क्यों हो रहा है, क्यों छोटे चैनल्स जो पॉसिबली हमसे बेटर कंटेंट बना रहे हैं वो सामने नहीं आ पा रहे. I mean, I don't think there is anybody creating better content than I am, because I'm obviously a fucking god in YouTube. But regardless,
Wow.
I got a comment recently, like, I'm just so tired of your god complex. I'm like, shut the fuck up, man. Fuck off, yeah. I'm just gonna start.
That was me, guys. I did that comment with my alias.
Yeah. Oof. Why were you DMing Saloni then? Because that same guy started DMing Saloni.
That was not me. I'm taking my words back. What the hell? It's backfired. You should share that information first. What the hell, man? You just made this joke very, very serious. Come on, man.
But तो प्रॉब्लम ये है कि YouTube जो है वो बार बार अपनी एल्गोरिदम जो उनकी है, सेल्फ लर्निंग एल्गोरिदम जैसे हम लोग कहते हैं, वो बार बार चेंज.
It is not self learning though, but whatever.
YouTube algorithm is not self-learning. How do you know?
Claiming it to be self-learning. Self-learning kya? What do you mean self-learning? It's just throwing words.
I don't find out. They just
It's a
that's what they say. Like it learns by itself. It learns by itself.
okay.
Like you're a fucking software engineer. Educate us, motherfucker.
I don't think it is self-learning. As in,
What would be the right term?
I think it works clearly on like some form of a neural net to be able to categorize which videos to rank up and which videos not to rank down. But it is probably not self-learning to an extent. Let's not talk about those details. Let's talk about what you have discovered.
Yeah. Okay. So हर a lot of जो YouTubers हैं वो मेरे हिसाब से एनालिटिक्स पे ध्यान नहीं देते. एनालिटिक्स जो तुम्हारे सेक्शन यूट्यूब का बहुत बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट चीज़ है जिसकी वजह से तुम्हें पता चलता है कि तुम्हारी वीडियो कितने लोगों को एक्चुअल में अच्छी लगी. बिकॉज कमेंट्स आरंट ऑलवेज रिलायबल ऑब्वियसली, पर तुमको ये भी पता चलता है कि मैं और लोगों को पहुँचूँ कैसे. बीच में it was watch time. Also there were a lot of rumors about engagement, likes, dislikes, comments and everything, which I think PewDiePie covered the best by asking for the most like, most comment and most disliked video. But I think a lot of people do not know about what a CTR is, which is click-through rate. How many people are actually clicking on your video after seeing it in their feed?
One question before we continue. Why is Ocus giving this for free?
Yeah.
Ocus, why are you giving this for free?
I just want a lot more creators to come forward. And clearly, somebody who can actually monetize it well. I'm gonna like if you can actually just अच्छे से अपने एनालिटिक्स को संभाल लेते हो, लेकिन सिर्फ उसकी वजह से तुम ब्लो अप नहीं करोगे. तुम्हारा कंटेंट ऑब्वियसली अच्छा होना ही चाहिए. दैट्स लाइक द मेन कोर जो तुम्हारा यूट्यूब का चैनल की. अगर क्वालिटी अच्छी नहीं होगी तो लोग चले ही जाएंगे, नंबर्स आ जाएंगे, तुम क्लिकबेट कर लोगे, पर लॉन्ग रन में तुम हार जाओगे. So that's why I just want a lot more content creators.
So this video is for the content creators who are good
Definitely.
but are just not able to, are being let down by the algorithm.
Why you're letting down? So let's talk about what YouTube has done basically. पहले YouTube was based on subscription stuff. ठीक है, तुम जितने लोगों को तुम सब्सक्राइब दे तुमको वो लोग ऑडियंस दिखेगी एंड उसकी वजह से यूट्यूब तुम्हें और प्रमोट करेगा. सो इट वाज अ साइकिल. द मोर सब्सक्राइबर्स यू हैव, द मोर सब्सक्राइबर्स यू विल गेट, द मोर व्यूज यू विल गेट, द मोर सब्सक्राइबर्स यू विल गेट, द मोर you will get, blah blah blah. So bigger channels were getting bigger, but the smaller channels who didn't have a lot of subscribers weren't getting as much traction. And if you guys remember, in 2017, 2016, this was the talk of the town, where everybody was like, smaller channels ko bahar lana chahiye, smaller channels aane chahiye. A lot of YouTubers were promoting smaller channels. I remember Philip DeFranco being really the kya kehte hain, pioneer or somebody like that. Yeah, he was promoting YouTubers constantly. And PewDiePie gave a lot of shout outs even then. Kya kehte hain, who's that guy? There was a thing that YouTube personally promoted, which was the Creator on the Rise, where they monthly or weekly put a creator in the trending tab.
Is that still going on?
Yeah, it's still going on, but it's like nobody really gives a fuck about it anymore.
Well, I think people in general don't give the fuck about the trending tab anymore.
Yeah, definitely. I mean, it helps, but it helps the like मास वाली ऑडियंस आती है जब, क्योंकि ट्रेंडिंग टैब पे फिर तुम टीवी पे पहली बार दिख जाते. लाइक तुम्हें टीवी पे यूट्यूब खोलेगा तो पहले ट्रेंडिंग टैब ज़्यादा दिखता है इंस्टेड ऑफ क्या कहते हैं जो ये है तुम्हारा नीश कंटेंट. बट एनीवे, तो यूट्यूब ने क्या स्विच किया? यूट्यूब ने स्विच किया, इट वेंट फ्रॉम दिस सब्सक्रिप्शन सर्विस टू व्हाट कैन आई से. तुझे याद है पहले के ज़माने में जब न्यूज़पेपर बेचा करते थे तो न्यूज़पेपर कैसे स्ट्रीट में खड़े होके इसने ये किया ले लो अठाना. यू रिमेंबर दैट स्टफ? या, सो दैट्स व्हाट द यूट्यूब हैज स्विच्ड बैक टू, व्हिच इज़ काइंड ऑफ हार्मफुल इन अ वे, बट इट्स ऑल्सो गुड बिकॉज दैट can potentially bring out a lot of small YouTubers. Okay. Now, 3 things come into play here.
Okay.
Impressions, CTR, watch time. These are the 3 main analytical metric that people need to be very
careful about,
smart about. Like watch time obviously everybody knew, but impressions और CTR के बारे में लोगों को नहीं.
Let's talk about impressions and CTR first, and then we'll go back to watch time. and I'll be asking you questions
Yeah.
about every single one of them. Let's start off with impressions.
Yeah. इम्प्रेशन तो मैंने बता ही दिया
हाँ.
कि इम्प्रेशन क्या होता है. इम्प्रेशन तुम पोटेंशियल ऑडियंस तुम्हारी ये
every
समझो.
time
Impression
you
तुम्हारी
open
potential
every time you open YouTube and तुम्हारे आंखों के सामने वो पर्टिकुलर वीडियो का जो स्टिकर है थंबनेल है वो दिख गया, that counts as an impression, right?
that counts an impression. Yes. एंड उसके बाद आता है क्लिक थ्रू
Yeah.
रेट, कि मैंने वो देखा और फिर मैं कितना जल्दी उस पर क्लिक किया या कितने लोगों ने क्लिक किया. दीज बोथ कम इनटू प्ले.
कितना जल्दी क्लिक
ठीक है?
किया also comes into play.
Yeah, somewhat. I'm not sure about it, but click kiya comes into play. That's just so obviously your thumbnails are very important, insanely important. So and मैं देखता हूँ कि बहुत सारे यूट्यूबर्स, यंग यूट्यूबर्स या इवन बड़े यूट्यूबर्स, they do not just they don't give a fuck about thumbnails. Like they don't want to learn, and it is so stupid to do that. Like you're literally giving out such amount, like huge amount of just giving up on huge amount of market. नहीं करना चाहिए. As a, if you're a business guy, if you're like actually अच्छे से consider कर रहे हो YouTube को to make it as a business, ठीक है, living बनाना चाहते हो, तो ये करना बहुत गलत है. Constantly सीखते रहो, constantly हर चीज़ सीखो. और like thumbnail बना रहे हो तो ऐसा नहीं कि जो चलता था वही चला रहे हैं, बिकॉज अगर जो चलता था वही चलाते रहोगे ना तो लोग बोर हो जाते हैं वो देख देख के. इफ आई सिर्फ मैं सेम थंबनेल सेम स्टाइल बनाता रहूँगा, सेम आउटलाइन, वाइट आउटलाइन बना दी, मैं इन द बैकग्राउंड ब्लर कर दिया, ठीक है, people won't click on it because बहुत बार देख चुके, it's not interesting enough. So you constantly have to keep on upgrading yourself so that you can be ahead of the curve.
How do you but okay,
Okay.
now the question is, since you've said this, that to get the click through rate your thumbnail has to be really good, right? Is what you're saying in gist, that's what you're saying, right? What do you mean by really good? Can you explain more on that? As in, like what? Should it be more appealing, or it should be like ki out of a bag of cards, that particular thumbnail has to be the one which catches your eye, regardless of whether it's a good look, aesthetically good looking thumbnail. Is that what you mean? Do you mean aesthetically good looking, or do you mean like something which just pops?
Just pops.
Doesn't matter if
it's your choice. Yeah, it's your choice. तुम्हारी creative choice है. अगर if you want to make it pop. I personally am an artistic guy. I really like my thumbnails when it looks pleasing to me as well, but it pops as well. ठीक है, you need to, I find a balance, and it's just a thing. It's just me who's putting another filter in the process, and you necessarily don't have to do it. Some people do not have that aesthetics का क्या कहते हैं कीड़ा. Some people just don't have that eye that can tell if it's aesthetic.
Some people are colorblind, just like Okus and me.
Yes. Yeah. You're colorblind?
Yeah, I'm also colorblind.
You're red and what are you? Red and green?
Red and green, yeah.
Yeah, same. But yeah, coming back to the topic. So like ऐसा नहीं कि भाई अब भैंचो रेड एरो ही डाले जा रहे हैं. मतलब तुमको डालना है डाल लो, पर फिर क्या होगा, लोग क्लिक कर देंगे, नहीं अच्छा लगेगा, and then people will leave, which sometimes doesn't even count as a view if you just click it. I think it's कि क्लिक करके थोड़ा देखना पड़ता है हल्का सा, फिर वो व्यू काउंट कर लेता है.
Facebook, I think Facebook वैसा नहीं होता. Facebook पे if you just swipe up to that video, it counts as
swipe.
a
हाँ आ जाएगा. Yes, yeah. उसके बाद काम आता है वॉच टाइम का, कि तुम कितना देख रहे. ठीक है. Now there is this thing where like so make longer videos because you will get long watch time. True, very true. But फिर ना अगर सिर्फ मेरे सपोज 1 घंटे की वीडियो है, ठीक है, उसमें से लोग ने देखा 10 मिनट, ठीक है, आई स्टिल गॉट 10 मिनट का वॉच टाइम which is better than most people, but वो 90% चला गया. So only 10% people देख रही है. So percentage में YouTube वो भी देखता है.
Average view duration.
हाँ, quality कितना है. That's why people think like कि longer videos बनाओ. हाँ, longer videos बनाओ, of course, if you can hold your audience for that long. पर छोटी videos भी equally better करती हैं. Prime example of this is David Dobrik. Small videos started doing fucking madness. ठीक है, not only because that's how human psyche works, you cannot just fucking look at something for a very long time, not everybody is that free, but also because now when you create smaller videos, a lot of his audience just watches full of it and is like 90% to 70% at minimum उसका वॉच टाइम का परसेंटेज रहता होगा कि 90 से 70% लोग देख ही लेते होंगे. एंड यू वांट टू क्रिएट ही वांट्स टू क्रिएट लॉन्गर वीडियोस, वो सेकंड चैनल पे बना लेता है. दैट्स हिज थिंग. इफ यू वांट टू क्रिएट लॉन्गर वीडियोस, यू जस्ट नीड टू फाइंड अ बैलेंस ऑफ व्हाट यू वांट टू मेक. ठीक है, ये थ्री थिंग्स कम इनटू प्ले एक्सट्रीमली वेल. इफ़ यू लुक एट माई चैनल, मैं जो मेरे वीडियो ऐसे के थंबनेल्स रहते हैं वो हमेशा वेरी आर्टिस्टिक रहते थे. बट व्हेन आई लुक्ड इनटू इट, आई सॉ कि उसका जो क्लिक थ्रू रेट है, लोग को दिख रही है वो, और जो क्लिक थ्रू रेट है वो बहुत कम है, लाइक इन सिंगल डिजिट्स. ठीक है, 7 point this, 8 point that.
And what's your average
So-
duration, view duration?
आई एम लकी इनफ, क्योंकि मैं जब एडिटिंग वीडियोस बनाता हूँ या इवन मैं फेस कैम वीडियोस बनाता हूँ, मेरी एडिटिंग की वजह से, मेरी डिलीवरी की वजह से, बिकॉज आई बीन ऑन दिस प्लेटफॉर्म फॉर क्वाइट अ वाइल, लोग एवरेज लाइक 50-60% देख ही लेते हैं, विच इज़ अ गुड मेट्रिक. 50-60% इज ग्रेट.
Yeah.
But in my last two videos where I started experimenting finally, was that I realized कि एकदम से जब you start creating better thumbnails, it एकदम से पॉपअप हो जाता है. बट सिर्फ थंबनेल अच्छा बना दिया इसका मतलब ये नहीं, इट नीड्स टू बी वेरी टॉपिकल. ठीक है, टॉपिकल ऑडियंस को टॉपिक ऑडियंस को क्या कहते हैं, ये करता है, अट्रैक्ट करता है. सो ये कुछ टॉपिक है, टाइटल है वो तुम्हारा, ठीक है, उसके अराउंड तुमको तुम्हारा बहुत कैची थंबनेल बनाना पड़ेगा. बहुत
How do you think?
like,
How
देख
do
के
you
वो
think? So YouTube doesn't do anything about the click-through rate, right? As in the audience chooses what is catchy, right?
yeah
Do you think जो impressions हैं, ठीक है, click through, do you think the click through rate decides कि impressions कितना अच्छा होना चाहिए? For example, तेरा जो recent video था जिसपे तेरा thumbnail बहुत अलग था, उस पे you said that the impressions are very high and
yeah. No, very low. The impressions are very low because of the restriction of the reach, but still because of the click-through rate, the views it got was insane.
Okay,
समझ
got
रहे
it,
हो?
got it.
तो बात आती है कि तुम टॉपिक्स कैसे चूज कर रहे हो. तुम कुछ भी लाइक अब यूट्यूब वैसा नहीं रहा कि कुछ भी उठा के बना दिया. अब ऐसा नहीं है, तुमको समझना पड़ेगा क्या बनाना चाहते हो, तुम किस चीज़ पे बना रहे हो, क्या पॉप कर रहे हो. ऑब्वियसली तुम ट्रेंडिंग टॉपिक उठा सकते हो, पर तुम टाइमलेस टॉपिक भी उठा सकते हो. ठीक है, टाइमलेस टॉपिक आज नहीं पॉप हुआ, परसों पॉप हो जाएगा, ऐसा है. कभी ना कभी वो वापस आएगा, फिर पॉप हो जाएगा. तो तुमको बहुत स्मार्टली एक तो अपने आप में बिलीव करके वीडियो बनानी पड़ेगी. लोग सिर्फ ट्रेंड फॉलो करते रहेंगे, करते रहो तुम ट्रेंड फॉलो, कोई बात नहीं, पर वो गिर जाएगा बाद में. और फिर तुम्हारे सिर्फ ट्रेंडी चैनल बना लिया.
Usually what happens I think is ट्रेंडिंग टॉपिक वाले वीडियोस जो होते हैं, ओवर टाइम द एवरेज व्यू ड्यूरेशन डिक्रीजेस.
Yeah, definitely.
And for timeless topics,
because people aren't watching it for you. This connection which Sandeep ने बोला is called introverted connection. I don't know where he came up with it, but मैं उसको explain करता हूँ कि जो connection है ना लोगों का, जो अब बड़े यूट्यूबर्स में इतना नहीं है, पर जो छोटी यूट्यूबर्स हैं, जो अभी सेकंड जनरेशन थर्ड जनरेशन यूट्यूबर आ रहे हैं, उनके साथ जो ये पर्सनल कनेक्शन बिल्डअप हो रहा है धीमे धीमे, ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. ये कनेक्शन का पूरा गेम है. तो जब तुम ये कनेक्शन को इसके साथ बिल्ड कर लेते हो, क्या कहते हैं, ये एल्गोरिदम के साथ, ठीक है, तब तुम पॉप होने लगोगे. क्योंकि अब तो नॉट ओनली दैट द पीपल दैट यू गेनिंग, द ऑडियंस यू गेनिंग इज जेन्युइन एंड इज एक्चुअली इंटरेस्टेड इन यू, बट एल्गोरिदम is promoting you constantly as well.
okay,
So you need to check both the marks. That's why I introduced face cam videos in my channel. I decided to just not put commentary and essay videos that I was putting. I decided to show a lot of my personality.
and which
to the
one
camera,
and
who I
but which
am
one
as a-
got more view duration according to you?
Surprisingly, before the video SSF better perform कर रही थी मेरी face cam videos. That's when I started experimenting to learn more about the algorithm. That's when I was like, okay, let's catch up. Let's see what's happening. Why? And जितना ज़्यादा मैं face cam किया, apparently like I saw कि जैसे लक्ष्य चौधरी वाली वीडियो, that got a lot of impressions, but I got a lot of views, but not when it compared to the impression and the views. It was kind of wobbly.
Okay,
So that's when I realized, okay, people will watch anything, but people won't stay just for anything or click on just for anything. ठीक है, the watch time of it was decent, but it could have been so much better.
okay.
So that's when I realized, I was like, okay, so if I want to show my personality, I have to show it in an entertaining manner, in a really entertaining manner. So I started, so that's when now I'm in the process of discovering where I stand in the face cam videos, where how I show my personality. And in the long run, I plan to merge both of the editing and the face cam video in a very like a show manner, and then do something with it. It's just a thought right now. But anyway, so it comes down to quality of your video as well. People are clicking, people are watching, but then how long are they like coming back for
What
it?
would you say is a good click-through rate for YouTube?
If it's 10%, that's a good start. Try and get it. Your goal should be 30-40%.
click-through rate?
Yes, 30-40%.
Okay. And
Like अगर 10 लोगों को वीडियो देखी तो 4 लोगों ने क्लिक कर ली, दैट शुड बी द लाइक अ रियली गुड
average view duration? Percentage में obviously.
I would like if it's 40 to 50%.
40 to 50%.
That's a good.
Okay.
Like if your video like छोटी वीडियो है तो try to aim for 70%.
Yeah.
पर अगर बड़ी वीडियो 10 मिनट की वीडियो है तो फिर बहुत अच्छा है अगर 40% तक देख रहे हो, क्योंकि लोग ज़्यादातर 5-6 मिनट ही देखते हैं. The great balance.
Funny? I'm not sure. I know yours and I know Sunrib's, because we had this discussion before about everybody's click-through rate and all that, right? It was so funny. I asked this guy Hooder, right? So I asked him about his click-through rate and his average duration. Hooder has a click-through rate of around 40%. Okay, and he has an average view duration of around 70%, which is very rare, I think.
Yeah.
But I think
definitely very rare.
what's if that is the case, then I think the problem lies in his impressions, right? Because if he's not popping, then it is probably because utne impressions ही नहीं आ रहे. So basically he has to work on his thumbnail or something, I guess.
Yeah, he has to work on his thumbnail, and he need to realize the audience that is he has his core audience. ठीक है, उसके जो मतलब डाई हार्ड वाले जो ऑडियंस है ना उसकी, वो है जो बहुत टाइम से उसको फॉलो कर रही है. तो छोटे रहोगे तो तब तुम्हारे इम्प्रेशन तब तुम्हारे क्या कहते हैं, दिस इज़ वेरी हाई.
सब कुछ all
तुम्हारी एनालिटिक्स एंड एवरीथिंग, या इट्स वेरी हाई, क्योंकि नाउ यू हैव योर कोर ऑडियंस. अभी जो तुमको देखती है वो तुमको ऐसे देखेगी लाइक अपना भाई है. लेकिन अब जब तुम पहुंच जाओगे उस पर, जब तुमको नए लोग तुमको डिस्कवर करेंगे, लाइक ठीक है, जो तुमसे बिल्कुल जानते नहीं, अनजान बिल्कुल नहीं, तब अब तू जैसे किसी के रिकमेंडेड में आ गया, वो तेरे को 4 मिनट देख के आगे बढ़ जाएगा. नए क्रिएटर्स फाइंड, जैसे मैं इतने नए क्रिएटर्स फाइंड ही नहीं करता, मैं देखना ही नहीं है. ठीक है, तो मैं हमेशा ऐसा एम करता हूँ कि मेरे जैसा बंदा भी क्लिक कर ले और देख ले. ठीक है, क्योंकि मैं नहीं क्लिक करता, मैं हूँ चूतिया, मैं देखता ही नहीं हूँ इतना यूट्यूब पर. तो सो जो एवरेज बंदा रहेगा वो क्लिक कर लेगा. एंड तुम्हारा एम यही रहना चाहिए कि जो प्रोड्यूसिंग, देयर नीड्स टू बी लाइक अ बैलेंस ऑफ अप्स एंड डाउन्स इन क्रिएटिंग कंटेंट रेगुलरली. सो यू पोस्टिंग posting twice every week. So like there should be ups and downs, and that's how you maintain ki the video, one video is doing very well, so second video can chill, so you can take a break. Because if you just push, like I see this with a lot of YouTubers, they just wanna keep on pushing. This will hurt your mental health, because फिर एक बार जब पुश करके भी नहीं जाती ना चैनल पे आगे, लोग क्या करते हैं, लोग क्वालिटी बढ़ाते जाते हैं. अब अच्छी क्वालिटी करूँगा तो और अच्छी जाएगी, अच्छी क्वालिटी करूँगा तो और अच्छी क्वालिटी जाएगी. पर ऐसा होता नहीं है हमेशा. प्रोडक्शन वैल्यू को तुम क्वालिटी से मेजर नहीं कर सकते. तुमको रियलाइज़ करना पड़ेगा यूट्यूब इज़ फॉर यूट्यूबर्स नॉट क्रिएटर्स. ये है एक फैक्ट है. ठीक है, तुम एकदम ऐसे 6 महीने बैठ के ऐसी वीडियो बना सकते हो, एकदम गदर वीडियो, ठीक है, फुल पैशन के साथ, पर वो यूट्यूब उसको रिकमेंड ना करेगा शायद से. इट्स अ थिंग. पर तुम एक टाइम पे शिट पोस्ट कर सकते हो और वो यूट्यूब रिकमेंड कर देगा.
तो which one should you go for then?
तो
because you started off with something. Because I remember in a podcast which you and me and Chirag had a discussion, you said that you believe that you are the best content creator in India.
Yeah.
And you want to strive now for being the best YouTuber, not the content creator.
I just want to be a YouTuber full time, but I want to be one of the best. Yes, I want to be like, I think I have that potential and I can do it if I put enough hard work into it. If I constantly start work, it's like keep on doing that grind. I think one day I will be able to hold my own in this scenario, because I still like I have this. It's gonna get personal, but I have like this two people in my head that are constantly battling.
Yeah. I know what you're talking about.
There's this guy called there's a guy called lower self-esteem Sheersh, and then there is guy called extreme narcissist Okus, and every single day when I wake up there is
I have a very similar thing in my head as well. It is very very confident. Knowing what's up Rav, and this very very like introverted, very shy, self guy Gaurav. That is there.
Yeah. And I realized it way back in 2016 or 2017, 2016. So whenever I wake up, I try to look in the mirror and say like, you're the fucking best. Because when I believe that I'm the fucking best, I work like I'm the fucking best. Like I have to put in 7 hours of work every single day. So like that's a good advice if somebody who struggles with being like thinking that he's not as good as somebody. Just believe in your fucking self. Just okay, I am the best and I'm gonna keep working hard and I'll prove myself. I guess that's why it's kind of like because of my upbringing that I have this feel that I have to constantly prove myself, and you just have to take it in a positive manner and turn it in like in a positive instead of a negative. But
how do you draw the line then? There is a very thin line between.
My girlfriend said this. She's studying psychology. She's trying to get a PhD in it. And she said this, that have 2 people in your brain. Now there's 4. If you have like low self-esteem and high narcissist Okus, have another 2. So 4 log, you have a multi-personality disorder. But anyway, coming back, that was a bad joke. Sorry. But have 2 people in your head where is a child and there is a parent. Okay. So a child is somebody who you are. Just imagine yourself walking on a footpath. ठीक है. So तुम्हारे आगे एक बच्चा चल रहा है और उसके पीछे तो तुम एज अ पेरेंट. बच्चा इज डिस्कवरिंग अबाउट हिमसेल्फ. ठीक है. बच्चा इज ट्राइंग आउट न्यू स्टफ. ठीक है. And he's getting better at it, and he's having his ego and everything. ठीक है. Great. And Papa is walking behind him. Papa is walking behind and he's seeing everything. And then बच्चा starts becoming really cocky. ठीक है. So Papa stops and Papa is like, you don't have to become that cocky. Bachcha understands and you walk again. But in this scenario, both of them are you. So be self-aware, but don't let that self-awareness get in your way. If you're self-aware, be self-aware that you're cocky, but don't be not cocky, because if you're not cocky and you start doing a lot of self-deprecation, that hurts your mental health as well.
Okay.
So always have 2 people. If you think you're too cocky, then you talk to yourself truthfully, ekdam honestly, like, do you believe that I'm too cocky? Maybe you shouldn't have said that. Okay, I'll keep on working on it. But don't just like, and if you believe that you're one of the best, fucking work towards it and prove that you're one of the best. ठीक है. Don't just be like, okay, I have so many failures in my list, but I think I'm one of the best. No, motherfucker, you cannot say that.
That's very interesting. I have a lot of things to say about that, but we have reached around 30 minutes. So
yeah, and this I don't think we have anything to cut between this. Like, it's a very interesting topic. But yeah, let's keep on. Yeah. Let's finish this in like upcoming 15 minutes and make it a 45 minute podcast.
All right.
Yeah.
So,
but
so my next question is about who do you think is doing it right then? In India. Yeah.
Oof.
In terms of the thumbnails, we can't talk about. We don't know everybody's analytics, right? It's not there on the.
I don't think anybody is really doing emphasizing on.
Okay,
the
I'll just ask. Like, what about Sanrevi? Because he himself, No,
I taught him, mother chod ko.
Okay.
थोड़े दिन पहले बैठ के मैं उसको बताया हूँ कि क्या थंबनेल बना, एंड ही जस्ट कीप्स ऑन एक्सपेरिमेंटिंग. आई एम लाइक, सिर्फ एक्सपेरिमेंट थोड़ी करना है चोदू. थोड़ा फिर मैं उसको सुबह के 6 बजे मैं उसको कॉल पे पूरा समझाया कि भाई देख ऐसे बनाते हैं. पर ही इज़ लाइक, आई एम स्टिल एक्सपेरिमेंटिंग, आई सी व्हाट आई सी. आई लाइक, ओके फाइन, बट तू मैं हूँ, मैं बता दूंगा तुझे अगर कभी ज़रूरत पड़े.
ओके, व्हाट अबाउट कैरी?
नो यार, मैं उसके कैरीज लाइफ के थंबनेल्स बनाता हूँ एंड उसके कैरी मिनाटी वाले thumbnails he can do much better, but he just says he likes what it is. But I don't think he wants to grow even further. It's like it's just whatever for him at this point.
Okay. Because I think big YouTubers don't have that problem. Like,
Yeah, because they just अब तो वो पहुंच गए ना उस लेवल पे. अब उनको ग्रोथ ऐसी मतलब ऐसा they are not striving for growth constantly. They are chill. हो गया उनका chill.
yeah.
Majority of the growth that they're it's like it's shares, it's like a cater to mass ना, तो वैसी mainstream क्या कहते हैं videos बनाते हैं लोग.
What do you think? What do you think Carrie is going to do in like 5 years? 5 years down the line, YouTube में Carrie का क्या scene होगा?
I am pretty sure he's trying to get into Bollywood now, which is his decision obviously, and it's a good move. ज़्यादा पैसे हैं, but yeah, I think it's about time he does something as well. Like either he switches up totally and starts doing something amazing.
But why do all of them want to jump to Bollywood?
It's just their content has reached that point where it will become stagnant in upcoming 4 years, 5 years.
So why do they think that Bollywood is better suited for them? I mean financially sure.
और कोई platform है ही नहीं, और कोई platform ही नहीं है ना भाई.
But
और कहाँ?
But भाई, but don't you think that Bollywood itself is dying? It's a dying platform.
Yeah, it's a dying platform, of course. But even at its death, even that this horse is dead, even still beating it gets a lot of money. When in comparison to YouTube, it's bad. And plus, from whatever I've talked to Ashish and all these people, they genuinely do love Bollywood.
Yeah.
It's not like they, unlike us, they have not grown on in the internet. For them, they've grown on the
You mean
movies
not
and everything.
us? Don't say us. I mean I myself am a person who has grown around movies, man. Like you also, for that matter. You have also watched a lot of movies, for that matter. We have discussed this.
But I think I still have watched a lot more internet stuff.
Okay.
When in comparison, like I've consumed so much internet, it's fucking insane.
And do you think that the majority of the audience, urban youthful audience, is just like you? They watch a lot of internet stuff.
No, not like me.
Or in general, they
Not
consume a lot of internet.
Like people, yeah, they छोटे बच्चे जो अभी आने वाले हैं,
I'll give you the age group. 10 years of age to 26, 27 years of age.
10 years or to 15 years, I would say, right now are consuming a lot of internet.
Okay.
But for 18 to, I guess, 26, they have been on a balance of like consuming a lot of internet on the movies. Yeah,
millennials are the first generation.
Millennials are, I guess,
first generation of the Zoomers, right? Yeah, I get it.
Yeah. Millennials, I guess, are over 30 though, na?
No.
Yeah, millennials are over 30,
dude,
bro.
I'm a millennial,
उसके नीचे,
what the fuck?
I am 100% sure millennial is.
Are you 100% sure? Okay, is this the confident narcissistic Oka speaking? Should I check it? Fact check your ass. Do you want to do that? I'll do it right now.
Yeah.
Millennial.
So, yeah, the Generation Z is 4 to 24, motherfucker. Yeah.
So
you're not a
millennial. I am a millennial.
Yeah. How are you?
1981 to 1996. They're all millennials, bro. What are you saying? I was right.
Millennials are 25 to 29 year old. Yeah. 25 to 29 से शुरू होता है.
हाँ.
And so yeah, it's okay. 30 नहीं, 24, 25, 25. I was around it. Okay. But how are you? You're 25.
25.
You're 26.
25.
Mother chod, how are you? 25?
I'm the last of the millennials.
Oh boy. But yeah, I guess we have grown on a balance, and we personally have chosen what we want to go for. Do we want to be like this Bollywood guy, or do we want to just stay on the inside and watch a lot of stuff on the internet? And yeah, that's what has happened. But yeah, that answers your question. What is your next question?
My next question is, if let's say the algorithm is, like you said, it's constantly changing, right? As a YouTuber, not as a creator. A creator would not care about the algorithm, right?
Yeah, because creator wouldn't try to fucking live off of the money of YouTube. हमारा सिर्फ ये डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन प्लेटफॉर्म होगा. अगर मैं एक क्रिएटर हूँ, मेरा मेन पैसा आएगा इंडस्ट्री से.
Correct.
मैं अगर मैं सपोज एडिटर हूँ तो मैं सिर्फ एडिटिंग की वीडियोस डालूंगा, दिखाऊंगा कि देखो सर मेरा पोर्टफोलियो है यूट्यूब पे, आपकी एडिट कर सकता हूँ मैं.
What about
ठीक है.
okay, so YouTubers, if the algorithm is constantly changing, does that
Yeah.
mean that they also have to constantly change and adapt
YouTube
and
like
adapt to
basically
the
basically
needs?
imagine algorithm is like it's chasing audience constantly. The audience constantly is changing, ठीक है, as because people change. नए टेस्ट आ रहे हैं एंड algorithm उसके पीछे भागता है और हम algorithm के पीछे भागते हैं. दैट्स द साइकिल. तो अगर तुम सम वे करके या तो सीधा ऑडियंस को पकड़ लो, मतलब इतने मतलब नेक्स्ट अहेड ऑफ द कर्व हो जाओ, इतनी नेक्स्ट लेवल जीनियस हो जाओ कि सीधा मुझे पता है ऑडियंस को क्या चाहिए, मैं इतने टाइम से हूँ इंडस्ट्री में तो मैं वो करूँगा. या तो तुम एल्गोरिदम को पकड़ो जिसको थोड़ा ज़्यादा नॉलेज होगा बिकॉज दे कॉन्स्टेंटली दे हैव लॉट ऑफ डाटा. तो तुम एल्गोरिदम को ट्राई टू करो कि हर एक तरीके से मैं प्लीज़ कैसे कर लूँ ऑडियंस को, सॉरी एल्गोरिदम को, कहीं ना कहीं क्या क्या हो क्या रहा है.
But is that the right way to do it? Is the question.
It depends.
Is it?
It's not the wrong way.
Of course, it's not the wrong way. But would you say that it is the right? If it is not the wrong way, then it is the right way, right? Right?
I guess. I mean, I wouldn't blame on you for like. But yeah. It just depends upon what is your resolve, na. Like, do you want to be a YouTuber or do you want to just create videos for the sake of it? If you just want to create videos for the sake of it.
Okay, let's take
fuck
my
it,
case. Let's
doesn't
take my
matter.
case. I, for one, I'm not dependent on
Yeah.
YouTube for money, for that matter, right?
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
so like, why should I make videos then? What should be my
Well,
goal?
obviously, you and I both love doing videos. It's a great hobby. Not only hobby, you just get
you get a
when
different
you
kind
get
of a
that
high.
validation.
Yes, you do. That is true.
Yeah, you love. Yeah, it's like when people finally appreciate what you do, it's fun, and you want to get better
Yeah.
at it. And IRL appreciation is highly overshadowed by online
Yeah,
appreciation.
that is true.
Like people can say, yeah, great, you have a great drawing, and you would still be like, okay, but then you post it on Instagram and you get 700 comments saying, oh my god, amazing. That would make you feel a lot more better than one person saying something.
Because 700 is a lot of people.
You know? Yeah, because it is what it is. So
But would you say that 20,000, which one would give you a bigger high? 50,000 people commenting that, oh, you're great, versus versus you in a stadium full of like 10,000 people.
of course the stadium full of
Why?
10,000 people,
It's still-
because that is overwhelming.
Of course.
Because then you can see 10,000 people, na? You can see them fucking insane. You're standing in front of it and you're seeing all these motherfuckers be like, oh gosh. That's just fucking crazy. But I'm talking more on the low level. Not everybody gets to experience that. Oh gosh. Everybody is like, okay. You know, mummy papa usually appreciate कर लेते हैं तुम्हारी art. But
Somebody in the crowd like mother chod. ले कस किया तेरे पे. What the hell, man?
But in your case, I do believe that you personally want to do it because you love doing it. You want to do it full time. Even though you're still struggling with it.
I think
you should.
I would see full time. I'm not so sure, but like I want to tell what I have, what I want to tell through this medium, because I can't do
Yeah.
it any other way, right? So I would want to do that, and I don't think I would want to do it full time because I need that balance. Is what I need.
Yeah, that balance comes from also YouTube. Like for example, you cannot just create whatever you want. That age has long passed now. So I think that balance comes from like treating YouTube as a work and finding a balance between what your audience wants to see and what you want to create. And sometimes your audience wants to see something that you personally do not want to create, but you still sit on your ass and make it because that's how it just works. So that also, I think if you at least actually try, then you can do it full time and you would have the same, you won't be dissatisfied, I see. But but till then like you will also, but then it comes like you will also have that you job पे जहाँ पे तुम्हें बैलेंस मिल रहा है, एंड फिर तुमको कभी कभी ये भी वीडियोस बनानी पड़ेंगी जो तुम नेसेसरली तुम्हें पसंद नहीं, और तुम फिर भी बना पसंद नहीं, डिसलाइक नहीं, तुम कुछ और बनाना प्रेफर करोगे, पर तुम ये कर रहे हो, यू नॉट नेसेसरली हेट इट, बट तुम ये कर रहे हो. It's not giving the same high, but it's just depends on your drive then, Rav, कि तुझे चल रहा है का वो, अगर तुझे चल रहा है तो बहुत अच्छी बात है, तू और कर लेगा, फिर खेल जाएगा. पर अगर नहीं चल रहा then ट्राई करके चला ले कैसे ना कैसे, ऐसा करो.
अच्छा.
ऐसा करो कि कहीं पे तुम चला, ठीक है यार, नहीं आज नहीं तो कल, लाइक हर वीडियो से हाई लेनी ज़रूरी नहीं है. एक दिन प्रॉपर हाई नहीं मिली तो कोई बात नहीं, हम जी लेंगे, ऐसा कर लो तो बहुत अच्छा हो जाएगा. एंड आई थिंक लाइक वंस यू रीच दैट पॉइंट देन यू, आई थिंक देयर इज सो मच सेल्फ, आई हैव नेवर एक्सपीरियंस्ड सेल्फ ग्रोथ दिस बिग anywhere else. But then again, I'm like a 19-year-old kid
What do I know?
who probably has a lot to say. Yeah, what do I know? Just in case I destroy somebody's life with a lot of the advice that I've given. Yeah, I'm a kid, you should have listened to a kid, fuck you.
Wow.
But yeah, but that's how you become big on YouTube, boys. Create good content, but also be really focused on what kind of stuff is going on behind the YouTube studio. Look at your analytics, it's really important. And just know where you fucking stand. Stop copying, you retards. All I see is fucking copy, bencho, shut the fuck up. Inspiration ठीक है, पर जब 50 वीडियो बना ली सेम जैसी तो भाई क्रिंज लगने लगता है. ठीक है, चमाट मारूंगा बहन के लोड़ो.
Wow. Papa being Papa.
But
मेरे पापा नहीं guys. Just saying. I know this guy since the time he was Ocus. He will always be Ocus to me. Okay? Fuck you. Alright.
But with that said and done, thank you so much for watching this podcast. I think a lot of productive stuff came from it, and also we recorded this immediately after we recorded the first episode. So we out here, gang shit.
Yeah.
But,
This guy is making me work.
Goodbye, guys.
But at least he's keeping his freaking ground. Just a good thing. He's holding himself, and I don't have to carry
out
him
here.
around here. He's truly
I'd love
his
to
own
see-
papa.
Oof, this was a subtle diss at somebody. I don't know who. But with that, yeah. Okay, guys. Yeah, we end this episode here. Bye.